Welcome to our sunflower oil factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how sunflower seeds are transformed into pure cooking oil used in kitchens around the world. Extraction process begins right here, as the giant rollers continuously crush the sunflower seeds into smaller particles before the main processing stage.
Every batch is refined to ensure purity, clarity, and quality. Every bottle is tested before reaching consumers.
And that's how sunflower oil is made, from tiny sunflower seeds to pure golden cooking oil enjoyed around the world.